Hey guys, it's been a couple weeks since my last video. In that time, I went to the salon and got some highlights and some stuff put in my hair, and it looks awesome and I really love it. While I was there, I picked up a blue shampoo. I've never used this blue shampoo. This is Oligo Blacklight Blue Shampoo. It's got like a bunch of good stuff in it. Amino acids, argan oil, paraben, sulfate free, stuff like that. So it looked really cool, looked really nice. It was kind of expensive. I was like, I'll pick this up. So I haven't used it yet, and I've only washed my hair a couple times really since I've even gotten it done. So it's still in its prime, I would say. It's not at a point where I think I need to tone it really at all with the shampoo, but I figured I'd do a demo right now so you can get like an accurate depiction if your hair is just starting to get a little brassy and you want to like neutralize it, what that would look like. So here's just a quick look at my hair. It says leave it in for like 2 to 5 minutes and then we'll take it from there. Kind of looks like the shimmer light's purple, like it's giving me a purple vibe, but it says it's blue. I didn't get the conditioner, just the shampoo. I'm just gonna like condition it with a normal conditioner, like a white conditioner. I still have that hair mask thing that I've been using and I really love it, honestly. I'm gonna wash off my hands. It's really not that blue, actually. Okay, yeah, just kidding, they're blue. So I'm gonna leave this in for like 5 minutes and I'll just blow dry it and show you what it looks like finished. This is the end result. I wouldn't say I see like drastic differences, but noticeable differences for sure. I like this and I will keep using it. Yeah, make sure to like the video and subscribe. So I'll link the stuff below. I'll even throw in that hair mask link again. It was in the last video, but I'll link it in this video in case you haven't seen that one. And if you haven't seen that one, go check it out.